Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable strict notifications TikTok. So if you want to turn on TikTok strict notifications, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable strict notifications on TikTok, all you need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. This could be on Android, it could be on iPhone. Once open the TikTok application, hang on. Now, click on the profile button at the bottom right. On your TikTok profile page, locate and click on the menu icon at the top right. Then here, click on Settings and Privacy. Now, once you've selected Settings and Privacy, scroll down the Settings and Privacy page until you get to Content and Display and click on Notifications. Under Notifications, locate and click on In-App Notifications. Then once you selected that, under In-App Notifications, then it should say Strict Notification. If Strict Notification is disabled, to enable it, just go ahead and turn this on. And once that is turned on, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to enable strict notification on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.